Okay, this video here is intended to encourage the viewer to take a look at the Improv Card Magic series, where you'll learn everything I'm going to show you here in terms of the packet structures and mixing techniques that will enable you to create countless card effects that will absolutely blow away your spectators. Now, within this demonstration, I won't be explaining what I'm doing. In fact, that's the purpose for this series that I've created for people to learn these skills for themselves and then put them to use in their own creative way. Okay, so as you can see, I have a good selection of cards here, face cards, number cards of different suits and colors. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just gather these up. Now, since both of us saw the cards, why don't we go ahead and just give them a good mix. Now, if you were here, what I would have you do is just call out random numbers, let's say between like 2 and 6 or 2 and 8. Technically, you can call out any number between 0 and 16. It's just a matter of how long certain things will take. So why don't we do like 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'll just move into this messy shuffle. Why don't we do 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. How about 3 again? 1, 2, 3. Good. How about 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And maybe one more, maybe 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. What a mess we've made. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to take the top cards off, two cards, but one at a time. Okay, 2 from the bottom, 2 from the top, 2 from the bottom, 2 from the top, bottom, top, bottom. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to Klondike pairs to the table, and I really wish you were here because you could tell me how to gather these. You really could. You could tell me which ones to pick up first. So I'll just go ahead and just randomly pick them up. I have no idea which ones you would tell me to pick up, but it would be a free choice. Pick these up in whatever order you would actually like. From here we're going to do, in fact I guess I'm telling you what some of the shuffles are. We're doing a Mange shuffle is what this is. Okay, and then from there we can go ahead and just deal out into 4 piles. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, and then we can stack from left to right, right to left, or we can even do leapfrog. It's kind of a fun one. Right to left, leapfrog. Okay, so how this works is this little packet leaps over its neighbor and lands there. This one leaps over its neighbor, lands there. Random stack. You want left on right? Okay, very, very good. We can also do something called an even or an odd up jog. Have you heard of an up jog? Up jog is where you move certain cards forward. Here it's the even position cards with random stacking. You want right on left? Okay, very good. So why don't we go ahead and just deal out into a 8-sided figure here. We may have a hard time fitting it. Let's see. Let's try to do this here. Did I do it? Okay. So I think I did. And then we'll deal in reverse order. This is called the serpentine deal. It's kind of a cool shuffle, actually. Okay, so where has that brought us? Let's just take a look at where we are. Okay, so I have a 9 and a 7. Okay, I don't know if that means anything to anybody. A couple of 8s. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's see, a queen and a 4. Golly, I'm not seeing anything interesting here. A 6 and a 10. Oh, you can't see that. Sorry about that. A 3 and a king. Oh, golly, what in the world's going on here? 4 and a queen. Did we accomplish... Oh, one thing I can see, which is... Yeah, I don't know. Seems like I can see at least one interesting thing. Oh, yeah, by the way, I have a written prediction that's been in camera view the whole time. I guess I probably should go ahead and just get that out and read that to you. So what did I predict would happen? 8 pairs of opposite color. Is that true? 8 pairs of opposite. Yep, these are all 8 pairs of opposite color. That is pretty darn amazing, given all of the choices, random choices that could be made by you. And I did my best to try to sense what you would want me to do. There you go. Oh, wait a second. There's a second part to the prediction. Each pair adds to 16. There is no way on this green earth that could possibly be true. Let's see, 3. What's a king? Isn't that a 13? Oh, 3 plus 13. That's 16. See, queen's a 12 plus 4, 16. 9 and 7, 16. 8 and 8, of course, 16. 12 and 4, 16. A couple of 8s, easy. Jack, what is that, 11? Plus 5 is 16. Look at that. A perfect confirmation of a prediction that was written before we even began all of the mixing that would give you or any spectator a whole bunch of free choices along the way that would in fact affect the order and organization of the cards. Wow, how in the world did we do that working together? Okay. So I encourage you to take a look at the Improv Card Magic series, where you'll learn all of the ideas, skills, and principles behind not only this effect. And once again, this is a very simple effect, actually, in terms of the ideas that I'm drawing on are some of the easier ones within the series. But that's not to say that you won't be able to understand what's there. It's just that there are some really powerful things you can do with just a little bit of practice and a little bit of effort to learn the basics. So anyway, thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.